ShortAlgo here, and today is December 14th, 2020. We're going to be looking at stock ticker XXII. Today we shorted this ticker and we had quite a bit of success. Shorted at 306, which was at the almost at the absolute top, and now the price is hovering around 265. I think it's a little bit lower than that at this point. So it's 239. So that was our exit. So it was a pretty successful trade. Here's some of the other shorts that we did for today. Ruby, 18% down. Sol was a buy alert, 11% up. ARVN, which we did a video on, 18% down. Cassie, we did a video on that as well, 9% down. BCDA, 14% down. SLDB, 5% down. This was a hold from Friday. And now we'll get straight into the chart. So here we can see the chart, and for the most part, it's been very flat. So when you see a security start making very bullish movements, chances are it's going to keep running, especially in this particular industry. Something that we noticed is that usually when you trade this, you want to zoom out and you want to get a better idea of where the peaks are, because chances are there's going to be pullback at some point. So the first point of reference that we're looking at was at this around 245 mark. And then the second one was really touching at the $3.12 mark. So we're going to zoom in now into the 15 minutes. And here you can see some of the opportunities for swing today. We got the buy alert at 80 cents, and then it ran all the way up to $1.49, where we saw the short signal. And then from there at 138, it went down to 117, from 117 bullish all the way up to 179. So in lots of opportunities. Whenever you're trading this, you really want to have a goal in mind, whether it be 3%, 5%, but make sure you have an exit strategy. And rule number one is don't lose money. So we also saw these buy alerts. We saw that it was squeezing very hard over the course of a couple of days. So we really adjusted our ranges to make sure that we address the volatility in place and the overall momentum. And then when we started seeing that it was losing steam and it was really hitting those highs, that's when we executed our short order. This was at 306, and right now it's trading at 238. So very nice opportunities here, and right now it's still looking very bearish. But with these pharmaceuticals, they tend to gain momentum again. So just watch it closely. Make sure that if you're shorting, don't hold it overnight. If you're bullish, just make sure you have your stop losses. So now we're going to look at some of the other trades that we did from Friday. SNOA, 39% down. FAT, 17% down. BTBT, 43% down. AMPE, 20% down. Live, 20% down. NEOS, 10% down. And IMMT, which we did a video on, 30% down. Thank you for watching the technical video. If you're interested in improving your overall trading strategy, we recommend you start a 7-day free trial with ShortAlgo. This tool is designed to help traders easily identify buy and short opportunities across stocks listed on the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, and CBOE. ShortAlgo merges 15 unique indicators into simplified signals that are delivered in real time. Get started at shortalgo.com.